day one of the new routine where I'm going to be working on upper body. So I'm going to do bench and I'm going to do some pull-ups. Okay, 90 pounds because I still don't know how well I feel. Let's go. Oh man, maybe one more. That's it. All right. Okay, that's all. Now let's do some pull-ups. All right. All right, let's do some pull-ups now. Here we go. All right, that's day one. You'll probably get more sophisticated after today, but that's the upper body I'm doing, still recovering. But guess what? Tomorrow I'm not gonna do any upper body stuff for the first time in months, and it's gonna be weird. I'm gonna do lower body stuff for the first time in decades. So join me tomorrow while I start the new routine. Thanks so much.